Alright, so this is my prototype setup here, right? So what I wanted to do was swap it all over to the new frame while kind of talking about the build, right? Alright, let's see. Alright, so we got the DTFC flight controller in there, some DYS 16 amp BL Heli, and GeForce 1804 2400 kVs, right? And some 3-inch props, Rotor X rotor. I'm not sure. I got some more over here, but I got some other props I can try. 3-inch. So let's take her apart. Oh, and then the battery. This is a Thunder Power. I don't know which one it is. It's 850 milliamp, 70C. Awesome. Awesome. They're 1300 70C. Rock solid. Alright, so let's take it apart real quick. I learned not to talk during these parts because I'm gonna do the time map and make them go fast so that you don't have to sit and listen to me talk. I guess I could talk about something halfway and then not talk the other half, because I usually just double speed it, you know. Yeah. Okay. I used some rubber dampeners here, and I found not all rubber dampeners are the same. Okay, so we're going to put that all on here. These rubber dampeners are actually shock valves, and they're super soft and spongy. They're from a Traxxas shock rebuild kit. Traxxas shock rebuild kit. And I've sent many a copter out with these on them already. Alright? It's up to you if you want to put them on the top or the bottom, or the top and bottom. So let's keep going. Alright, there we go. Let's put it together. Good idea, huh? Recess the strap. If you really wanted, you could just mount this thing right on there. That's right off the printer. You see that? Right off the printer. No drilling. Alright, we're gonna still block it up a little, even though it's all, I wonder if it's conductive, this carbon that's in here. So we're gonna nut these down. Mount the flight controller. But first we'll look at the flight controller. I want to take a look at this flight controller, because I got to put the buzzer on it and then my OSD. Alright, where's my wrench? The back. The back will be here. Oh. Don't forget your rubber dampeners. Right? I forgot to talk about the board. Did I put the right screws in? I think I gotta cut some new screws. I gotta cut them. They're not long enough. 6mm plate. So I buy these long ones, right? Because sometimes you just gotta make what you need, and especially if you're using these O-rings now, you definitely need something a little different. So that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it all apart again, and when you come back I'll have these new screws installed. Wait until you feel these O-rings in your hand. They're so nice. Alright, so the back. Okay. Again, I don't know much about this board besides what it shows on here, and luckily they screened it out so that everything's there, so you can see what it is pretty much. But what do I need? I like having all of it, you know? LED, buzzer. What do we got here? VBAT. Well, we don't need the VBAT, but we might VBAT to our VTX if there's another 5 volts on here, which I'm not sure there is. So yeah, VBAT to the VTX. Let me pull it off and we'll look at the back. Alright, VBAT. There's the 5 volts for the buzzer. The switched ground is right there next to this circuit. And on the back here it says place flush chip here. So it looks like you can place some other kind of chip on there. This is I think what the OC Doge sends RxTX for its OSD, but here is UART3, which they suggest that you use for your receiver from your radio, radio receiver. Then here's UART2, which I'm going to use for my micro OSD, Hey, where is that thing? Where is it? Where is it? So you get to see it. Where is it? Here it isn't. Did I put it in here? No, I did not. Well, they're around. So I'll do the same here from the micro OSD. And then that's it. Back to the top. We're using our 4 motor leads. UART1 or UART3 is for your radio. UART2 OSD golden, and then it's all programmable via your goggles, right? And then VBAT to the VTX. I don't think I'll be running anything over a 4-cell on here, if not a 3-cell for sure. So let's screw the motors on, right? Do I got this right? Yeah, I got it right. We're golden. Alright. Boom. The motors will be back. Okay, she's all back together. Now all we got to do is pick a canopy. And I don't have this one done quite yet. But that's how it would go. Did I pinch a wire somewhere? No, everything's clear. Everything's clear. But like I said earlier, much wasted space. I'm going to rethink this whole thing. These were for LEDs, front and rear. But I'm going to rethink this, and we'll have something by next week. Then we got this one, which is the full-size camera and receiver. And what else has this got in it? It's going to have a VTX, right? So that's that one, and that fits all right. Right, but I got to cut one out of carbon, and there's no adjustment on the camera, so I'm going to fix that. I'm going to make this like this, so you can mount 1177 in there and just tilt it. You will see. So that's my prototype moving forward.